Hello, today we will guide you through how to check your orders and balance on Whop. To get started, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main area where you'll usually land after signing in, and it gives you access to your account menu and personal settings. If you're not already logged in, make sure you complete that first so you can view your account details properly. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This is where Whop keeps the menu for your personal account options. If you've used other platforms before, this will feel familiar, since profile menus are often the place to manage purchases, account preferences, and financial information. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage and review different parts of your account. Settings is especially useful because it organizes account information into sections, making it much easier to find exactly what you need without searching through the rest of the platform. From there, click on the Order section. This is the part of Whop connected to your purchase activity and account-related transaction details. Depending on the layout you see, this section may act like a category that helps narrow down what kind of information you want to review. Next, click on Orders. This will open the page where you can check your order history and review the details associated with your purchases. If you're trying to confirm a recent order, verify what you've bought, or review your balance-related activity, this is the section you'll want to use. Take a moment to look through the information shown on the Orders page. In most cases, this area helps you keep track of your transactions in one place, which can be useful if you need to reference past purchases or make sure everything has been processed as expected. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the information you're looking for, give the page a moment to load fully and double-check that you're in the correct account. Small navigation differences can happen, but the general path remains the same: Home, Profile Account, Settings, Order, and then Orders. That's it. You've successfully learned how to check your orders and balance on Whop.